See, most of the people don't lose the client because of their bad services, but because of they scare to call the clients. So today I am going to show you how to call to your client's professional tone without losing your voice but with the AI. So first of all, you should go on the ChatGPT and tell about your services, your name, and how the agent should be talked. So let's go. Here, as you can see, I have opened the ChatGPT and here I will start just speaking. I will not write. Hey ChatGPT, I have found one AI tool in the market. Okay, for that I want a master prompt about telling my services so he will understand how to talk with my clients. So my service is about the selling websites in a professional tone. Every question, whatever the client will ask, he should answer it. And when it comes about the selling part, means whenever he will ask about the price, my agent should ask, what's your budget? If they don't say, use the professional tone to convince them most of the higher amount. Okay, and then he should start converting communication as, so I am Bhavik's personal AI assistant. And here I am selling services. If you don't like my name, you can change also this name and convert it to master prompt. It's a sales call prompt. Okay, and just give me. I want to use it for my calling agent. You can see I not even write a single word and my script is going to be ready. You can see here is a prompt which I want to use it in the tool which I will tell you just now. Wait a second. Here you can see how the negotiate and don't need a website exactly what the client can say. Here is a proof. Okay, means what to say, that actually it is given detailing. Okay, and just now it comes about the main part. Go on the new tab and just search OmniDim.io. This is the one type of calling agent which can call many peoples without taking your number. So first of all, you can see here one chat box is here. Just paste your prompt at here, and you can also enhance your prompt if you are doing the same thing what I have talked at here, like this way. And if you want to enhance it, you can enhance it in this way. Okay, make sure your agent is going to speak how. Let me show you. Means you can see I just created click on the create agent and this page has come. Don't be confused. You can see what is it shown here, spotted languages, supported languages. Just select here which language you want that your agent could be speak. I will select English, Hindi and Marathi because I am good in speaking these three languages. Okay, now comes about the sound which is going to be used by the 11 labs. Don't worry, the voice will be like a human. You can see the sample here just by hearing.
Hello, I'm your Omni.
You can see the sound, but I prefer this Anikya, because her sound is totally real human being. Okay, just I will click on the create agent. My agent is ready, and you can see if you see in the background here, you can see Bhavik's digital solution sales consent. You can see in the arrow part, and here the what the question, if the client will ask what to say, here the agent is making it confirm what to say and what to not. Okay, and you can see now just select the country, just write your number here. Here you can see the agent has called me. Let's see what the agent used to talk. Hello.
Hello sir, I hope you're doing well. My name is Bhavik's AI assistant and I'm calling from BSA Future Team. We help local businesses build professional websites that attract more customers. May I take 30 seconds to explain how this can benefit your business?
Sure.
Great, sir. Having a website can help your business reach more customers, build trust with them, and grow steadily. Could you please share if your business currently has any online presence or website?
Currently I not have website, but I have an Instagram ID, and I am getting rich also on that time.
Nice that Instagram is working well for you. A website can complement that by giving your customers a trusted place to learn more about your business anytime. What goals do you have for growing your business online?
My goal is to attract more customers towards my business, and it should be
I didn't
boom.
catch the full goal, sir. Got it, sir? Attracting more customers and growing your business is exactly where a website can help a lot. May I have your name and the best phone number for Bhavik to reach out and discuss how we can support your goals?
Yep, this is the best number you can call me.
Thank you, sir. And may I have your name as well, please?
Yes, my name is Mayur.
Thank you, Mayur. Bhavik will personally call you soon to discuss your business needs in detail. Thank you for your valuable time, sir. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Okay.
Thank you again, Mayur. Wishing you all the best with your business growth. Take care.
As you can see, the agent has speak with me comfortably and not have spoken some unwanted part. But yes. So you can see after that call, I can show you the exact what I have speak on the call, and what the agent has replied me. Is that done or not? Everything it can show me. So first of all, you should go on this area. You will come on this area after call and select this area, recent call. Okay, after that recent call, you can see this is my number which you have selected, and here is a calling details. You can play this audio or download also, so you can send to the your businesses about the actual audio which you have called, which is a high quality. And you can see here about the what source he has taken, ended by AI agent, not by me, what time date he has talked with me, is that call is completed or not. You can see here completed, because of brightness you cannot see that exactly. And here is the what actually the AI agent talked with me. You can see exact chats and replies. You can see here, if I click on replies, you can see here exact detail, then analysis. My name means, if he asked me what's my name, so I have given sample name as Mayur. So here is the Mayur also he has written, and the current online presence, yes, everything is written at here detail. And with this tool you can also chat with him about questions, about your questions. If you, some of the questions if you think that I should ask, you can, here you can see one option and yellow color, sorry, orange color. Just click on here and ask whatever you want. How many calls I can use to call, means you can, I can call here everything. And also you can deploy this agent in multiple source, phone number, im, uh, import SIP, trunk, deploy on WhatsApp, etc, etc. And also I would like to tell you that here you can see voice agent, you can clone your own voice also. Okay, you can upload your files, integration, your actual phone number, means the, and you can also do one thing, that is literally one type of gold bowl for the businesses, that is bulk call. If you click on it, you can see here one option, you can see a create new campaign. If you click on that, you just need one to buy one number, and after the buying that number, you can create a folder, just upload it on this agent, and you can sleep one night. Your this agent will call that one list of the bulk which you have given, and it will complete your work. Okay, and this is what I would like to tell you, that this can help you to improve your sales. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use this about improving your sales. Okay, see you in the next